At the sponsor shop, we shot just about everything. We shot movie stars.
It's a sex movie.
We shot TV stars. TV stars at the height of being TV stars. With lamps. Smashing lamps. And this. Booyah! And this. And this. We shot cops jumping off roofs. We shot explosions. We shot the bull. We shot the shit with people like this.
Caliente.
And we did shots of coffee. And of this.
Good show.
And of this.
I smell innovation.
But you know what we never shot? Puppies. Well, we did shoot a puppy once. It looked like this.
Can you really go wrong? Can you? Maybe.